How to use Amazon Echo Show 11 setup guide and features. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use the Amazon Echo Show 11, including Wi-Fi setup, Alexa Plus, smart home controls, video calling, personalization, and some of its most useful everyday features. First, plug your Echo Show 11 into power using the included adapter. Select your preferred language, and when the QR code appears on the screen, scan it with your smartphone. This opens the Alexa app and guides you through the setup process. You'll need your Amazon account and your Wi-Fi network information. You can also complete the basic setup directly on the Echo Show if you prefer. Once connected, allow the device to download and install any available software updates. When the main home screen appears, your Echo Show is ready to use. Now you can start using Alexa. Try commands such as Alexa, play some music, Alexa, show my calendar, Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes, or Alexa, show my compatible front door camera. The Echo Show 11 combines voice commands with an 11-inch Full HD touchscreen, so you can interact using your voice, touch, or both. One of the biggest features of this generation is Alexa Plus. The new Alexa Plus home experience can provide personalized information, follow-ups from previous conversations, notifications, and information based on your interests. Availability and individual Alexa Plus capabilities can vary by account and region. For a more personalized experience, set up Visual ID when prompted. The Echo Show 11 uses its 13-megapixel camera to recognize enrolled users when they approach and can display personalized information. The Echo Show 11 is also a powerful smart home controller. You can connect compatible lights, plugs, thermostats, locks, and security cameras, then control them using Alexa or the touchscreen dashboard. This makes the display particularly useful in a kitchen, bedroom, or central area of your home. For communication, you can use the built-in 13-megapixel camera for supported video calls. The camera includes auto-framing capabilities designed to help keep you visible as you move around during a conversation. You can also use the Echo Show for entertainment, including music and supported video services, or turn the screen into a digital photo display when you're not actively using it. Here's a pro tip. Spend a few minutes customizing the home screen and setting up routines after installation. A routine can combine multiple compatible smart home actions, making the Echo Show much more useful than simply using it for basic Alexa questions. And if privacy is important to you, the Echo Show 11 includes a dedicated button that electronically disables the microphones and camera. And that's how to set up and use the Amazon Echo Show 11. Connect it to Wi-Fi, personalize Alexa, add your compatible smart home devices, and customize the experience around the features you actually use. If you found this guide helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which Echo Show feature you want me to cover next.